Santa Monica Beach. We're gonna rent some bikes and explore the area, so follow me. So we're here at Pacific Park, Santa Monica Pier. Really beautiful, it's super fun. It's just really cold, but we love it! We're on the Warner Brothers Studio for today. My mom, my dad. We're at the Oue Skyspace,
which is the tallest open-air observation deck in California.
we're at Disneyland, the happiest place on earth!
Universal Studios Hollywood!
We're in Six Flags! There are 19 roller coasters in this theme park. Let's ride them all! We are at Beverly Tofu. We're gonna dig into some seafood tofu soup and galbi.
We're here at San Pedro and we're gonna go on a whale watching cruise. Hopefully you get to see some whales!
So we're here at the San Pedro Fish Market, and one of the things that you have to try is their world famous shrimp tray. We're at the Battleship Iowa Museum. So it's a maritime museum that's also a battleship.
We are at Griffith Observatory and it offers an amazing view of the sunset.